In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your Google Gemini chat history. Whether you want to clear a single conversation or wipe everything, we've got you covered. Let's begin. Open Google Gemini and then, for example, you have asked Gemini something and you wanted to delete the prompt or the conversation. So all I have to do is super simple. Hover to the left side area of your dashboard and expand the menu. And of course, there is a 3 dots icon on every chat history that you have prompted to Gemini. All I have to do is very simple. Click the delete button and you can do this for every chat history. It's super simple, right? Now, an advanced feature that you can do is hover to the bottom left corner where you can see the settings and help. Click that gear icon and click the activity. This will forward you to a new page. As you can see, you have the ability to delete activity older than 18 months. Okay, if you click on the arrow, all I have to do at this point is click the next button. Regardless of your choice, you can always manually delete anytime. Once you are decided, click the next button. And now your preferences to delete your activity for that specific period will be applied. You can also set up auto delete for web and app history and set up auto delete for YouTube history. It's up to you. And click the done button. And basically that's it for today's video on how to delete Google Gemini chat history. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.